Good morning, gamers. Today, I'm going to show you how to build the best storage system in Minecraft. This farm automatically sorts all your items quickly and quietly. It is easy to expand the storage for each item, and if you want to remove or add more items to the system, it's also super easy. In this tutorial, we'll be making a storage system to sort out 8 different items. Here are the materials for the build. If you need a world download or Lightmatic, then visit my Discord for all my downloads. If you want to have a storage system that holds more than 8 different types of items, then add these blocks for every item type you want to be sorted. First, we're going to place chests where you'll input items. Place one chest here and a double chest on top of it. Then, one block away, start the storage system by placing double chests. Each double chest represents one item. Now, on top of your double chests, place an additional double chest on each one. And finally, place 2 double chests on top of each other, one block away from the main storage. This is the output for any overflow items. Next, place 3 blocks on the ends of the farm and in between any chests. Afterwards, place a stair block on top of every chest. Then place building blocks across the top of the building blocks and stair blocks. Now go to the back of the farm and place hoppers against the back of the chests, except for the input chest. One block behind these hoppers, place a line of blocks like this. Against these blocks, place a redstone torch against every block. Afterwards, place repeaters behind every block. Then place a solid block behind every repeater. Now place 3 blocks against every hopper. On the block closest to the hoppers, place comparators facing into the block above the hoppers. Next, on the remaining blocks, place redstone dust. Then place hoppers facing into every comparator. Now connect the hoppers like this until you are over the input chests. Afterwards, place composters on top of the hopper. This is to reduce the lag caused by hoppers. Next, it's time to build the input system. Mine a 2x7 area here. Below this hopper, place 4 droppers on top of each other. Then place 2 building blocks here, and 2 comparators facing into it. Next, place 2 redstone torches on the empty sides. Next, place 2 hoppers facing into each other, like this. And on the inside, place any item. Now make a redstone torch tower up to the top dropper, like this. Then go to the front end of the farm and break this block. Place 2 hoppers facing into the bottom dropper, and a hopper on top of this dropper, and replace the building block. Now you can label the slots with item frames. Now it's time for the more technical part of the farm. Place down your anvil and rename any item to anything you want. This will be used to filter out items in your storage system. Place 4 of these named items in these 4 slots in every hopper. Make sure these items never enter the storage system, as it will break the farm. Pick out the items you'd like the storage system to filter for, and place one on each item frame on the front. In this instance, I'm using ores. Once you're finished, make sure it matches the other side by placing one of each item into the hoppers that are facing into the comparators. If you ever want to expand the system, just insert a slice with these materials in between the output and input chests. Here's how you do it. First, break down the output section of the sorter, which is the part of the farm that has no redstone besides a few hoppers. As you break it down, make sure you collect all of the materials. It should look like this when you're finished. Start the expansion by placing 2 double chests on top of each other, with 2 hoppers coming out the back. Place 1 building block here, a redstone torch, and a repeater out the back. 1 more block here, and then 3 across the top. Then place 3 redstone dust on these blocks, and a comparator facing into the hopper system, with a hopper facing into the comparator. In that hopper, place 4 of the filter blocks and the item you would like to sort. After, place a stair here with a block on top. Hop back down and place 3 blocks up and 2 double chests against it. Next, build up 3 blocks here and place a stair on top of the chest with 3 blocks across the top. Drop down and place 2 hoppers going into the chests and 2 hoppers going downwards. Jump on top of the composters and place 2 hoppers into the last hopper, and then place 3 composters on top of the hoppers. Jump back down to the front and place an item frame and whatever item you're sorting inside it. If you ever want to expand the storage system, then repeat the steps that we just went through, and you'll be all set. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe.